This weekend we're out and about and we're asking the question, why should you sell at auction?
Auction gives you 3 chances to sell. Before, which really takes the place of private treaty and tender. During the campaign, 2 people can then fight it out. And thirdly, after. Yesterday was at an auction, didn't sell under the hammer, but it sold literally 2 hours later for $50,000 above the price we passed the property in for.
So Peter, just before the auction, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm so excited. In fact, all our auctions, we're auction mad. It's just great.
Well, no further questions. Number 24, Panana Avenue here at St George's at $765. You can't judge property within $5,000. $777,500 we have. You will lose your opportunity. Can you just hold your number you want? Thank you, 52. I'm calling it 3 times. Once, twice, third, final, last opportunity. Sold you, sir. Congratulations. Give me a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
So Peter, how did the auction go today?
I'm glad you've asked. It was fantastic. You wouldn't believe it, but the person who bought it was the next door neighbour. So there you go.
So why do you think selling by auction is such a good method of sale?
Well, as I've just explained, here we have a surprise. A next door neighbours purchased the property. So you just never know who's going to roll up, whether they roll up early, whether they roll up late. It's a transparent method of sale, and once you bring that competition together on the day, the end result could be anything.
So Troy, we're here in Hilton. The auction's just about to start. How are you feeling?
Really good, really good. Look, the sun's shining. It's a perfect day to sell a property at auction, and I'm very sure that we're going to sell it very, very shortly. We've got a lot of registered bidders here today.
Why is auction such a great method of sale?
Oh, well, Jen, I've got to say that auction's such a good method because, quite frankly, it brings everyone to a head, and really the vendors are dealing with the buyers on their terms.
What have we got for 30 Bird Street here in Hilton? At 400, take 10 from there at 4. At 4 the bid. At 400 first time, then at 4. 410 if you like. 435, bidder number 1 at 435. 40, can I say, sir? The property is on the market. For want of a better bid, it's going this way here. Third final, last chance. Done, silent, sold. Well done. Give a round of applause. Welcome to the neighbourhood.
So Troy, the auction here in Hilton's just finished. How'd it go?
Really well. We've hit the reserve for the vendors and we had lots of bidding. I think we had half a page of bids. There was about 6 or 7 registered, but there was 2 of them that fought it out to the end, and the first bidder is the one that won it, which is generally the way. The first person to bid is generally the person who buys the property.
I love the idea of auction because it's open and it's honest. Everybody knows exactly where you stand.
What's great about auction is a win-win for both the owners and for the buyers. The buyers, they know they're bidding on an open, transparent process. Owners, it's cash unconditional. There's no building inspections, no finance clauses. They know they've sold. They can pop the bottle of champagne as they're doing right now.
Auction is one of those things where it's the greed factor comes in, and we're all the same, and you know you're going to get that little bit more, and it's that dream price that you'll get at auction.